Is this actually legit or just another overhyped program? That's exactly what I asked when I first saw Affiliate Bootcamp. It promises to turn complete beginners into super affiliates in 10 days or less. Bold claim. I spent serious time digging into every detail before recording this. I checked the price, the training, the tools, and the red flags. I broke down exactly what you get for $7, what the upsells look like, and whether the 100% commission model holds up under scrutiny. By the end of this video, you will know exactly whether this is worth $7 or worth avoiding entirely. Here's the painful truth most people experience. They buy an affiliate marketing course, they get a confusing PDF, a generic 3-step process, and 0 real support. Step 1, build a squeeze page. Step 2, upsell a product. Step 3, buy ads. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. There are dozens of hidden steps buried inside each of those 3 steps. That's exactly why the overwhelming majority of beginners fail. Outdated ebooks and overpriced programs that abandon you after purchase never produce real results. You are left frustrated, out of pocket, and no closer to earning a single dollar online. Affiliate Bootcamp positions itself as the direct solution to all of that frustration. It is marketed as a done-for-you marketing package, complete with tools, step-by-step training, licensed content, and high-converting offers all in one place. The entry price is just $7. It is built around a learn-while-you-earn model, meaning you can start even with 0 prior experience. The core promise is 100% commissions on every sale you generate. The question I had to investigate was straightforward. Does it actually deliver on that promise? Or is the $7 price tag just a hook to pull you into a costly funnel? Let's talk about the $7 entry point and what it actually includes. For $7, you get access to the Affiliate Bootcamp membership at the foundation level. That covers the free presentation, access to the core training framework, and entry into the full system. Here's the red flag you need to know up front. $7 is an intentionally low barrier designed to get you inside the funnel. Expect upsells inside the members area, ranging from $37 all the way up to several $100s. The $7 gets you in the door. Decide in advance exactly how much you are willing to invest beyond that before you click buy. Going in with a clear budget protects you. Step-by-step training is one of Affiliate Bootcamp's biggest selling points. Unlike courses that dump PDFs on you and disappear, this system is structured around progressive daily training modules. The goal is super affiliate status within 10 days. The training covers traffic generation, offer selection, and conversion optimization. The licensed content piece is a genuine differentiator. You do not have to create content from scratch, which saves beginners serious time and money. That is a real advantage. The honest con is this: results depend entirely on your implementation. No training program in existence fixes a consistent lack of daily action. That part is always on you. Here is where Affiliate Bootcamp gets genuinely interesting and controversial. The commission structure ranges from $7 products all the way up to $97, $197, $1,000, $3,000, and even $15,000 offers. That is the 100% commissions model. You promote, you keep the full amount. The pro is clear. The earning potential is legitimately high if you can close at those levels. The honest con is this: $3,000 and $15,000 commission products require customers who can actually afford those price points. As a new affiliate, building the trust and skills needed to close high-ticket offers takes real time. It does not happen inside 10 days. Set realistic expectations before you start. Let me be direct. Affiliate Bootcamp is not for everyone, and I want to be honest about that. If you are looking for a passive income button that requires 0 effort, avoid this entirely. If you refuse to invest beyond $7 when upsells appear inside the members area, your results will be severely limited. If you have no patience for a real learning curve, this is not your solution. However, If you are a complete beginner who is willing to follow a structured daily system, take consistent action, and invest thoughtfully in your growth, Affiliate Bootcamp at $7 is a genuinely low-risk starting point that is worth serious consideration. Know which category you fall into before you buy. I want to be fully transparent with you before I give my final verdict. The sales page itself openly admits that results are not typical. The person behind this system has over 10 years of internet marketing experience. You are likely starting from zero. That gap between their experience and yours matters, and it is worth acknowledging honestly. But here's what I genuinely respect about Affiliate Bootcamp. The done-for-you tools, the licensed content library, and the structured daily training modules are real, tangible assets that most $7 products simply do not include. This is not a miracle system. It is a structured starting framework at a low-risk entry price. That earns a cautious but genuine recommendation from me. If you have watched this far, here is exactly what I want you to do right now. Do not take my word alone. Go see it yourself for $7 and make your own fully informed decision. Head to affiliatemarketinginsights.com bip. That link is live in the description below this video. Go watch the free presentation, review the full training outline, and decide whether it fits your specific goals and budget. Do not wait on this. The $7 entry price is a time-sensitive offer that can change. If this review gave you real clarity, hit like right now, subscribe for more honest internet marketing reviews every week, and drop your questions in the comments below. I personally read and reply to every single one.